Okay guys, check out what I just got. Okay, so I ordered this on Amazon. This is from Makartt. I've never tried Makartt before, but I've been painting a little bit with these on and they're getting a little messy. I don't know if you can see that very well. So this is an unboxing. I have a few ideas in mind. Let me grab a scissors. I have a few ideas in mind for a design, or a few designs. But I need to maybe do a few experiments before I get too fancy here. I'm not sure what will work and what won't. Okay, alright. Let's do... These are polygels, but also I'm very excited because it comes with my first decent polygel brush. Look at this. Okay, so this is from Makartt, and one end is a brush for placing polygel, and the other end is a spatula for picking up the polygel. So that's pretty cool. And then it comes also with a file, this nice little emery board. So let me, whoops, is that the wrong end? Yep. Okay, check it out. It's got instructions for how to use the kit, the polygel. So how to, from prepping your nails all the way to completion and applying your top coat. So useful. I'll be sure to read these before I actually start anything. Then also super useful before you do anything. Well, I'm gonna already need the spatula. So before you start anything, you need a base coat. Once you get your nails prepped, so base coat is kind of like part of the prep. And then, oh, this is going to be so much fun. Top coat for when it's all over, to seal everything up. And then, oh, I'm so excited for these. Okay, so this is the Mariposa Mayhem collection. So this one's kind of a, I don't know how true to color my camera is going to be. So if I swatch these, I'll swatch them when I'm ready to use them, I think. But this one is the Morpho Blue. It's kind of a periwinkle. I don't know if you see that. Then this one's called Wings. I'm most excited about this one. It's this beautiful shimmery green color. I'm so excited to use it. I can't even describe. So, and then there's this, in the pictures on Amazon, this looks like another pink. But here it looks like it's going to be sort of a creamy peachy color, but this one's called Chit Chat. Is that right? It's called Chat Up. It's called Chat Up. All right. I'm 50. My eyes aren't what they used to be, I guess. I just want to look at the color. This one I'm most curious about because really on Amazon they just look like two pink colors. And here, yep, you can definitely see it's more peachy. At least I can see that it's more peachy. I don't know if you can see it with these lights. But I definitely think, for me anyways, that's definitely a more peachy color. So that's kind of nice. I can use that for sure. These are all kind of a shimmery color. And then this I'm sort of excited about too. I have plans for this. So I have to wait for my drill. They're not a drill. I'm sorry, I shouldn't call it a drill. I'm waiting for an e-file to remove what I've got. Now, this was my first attempt at gel polishes. I don't know if you see this on the pinky. This big ledge here on the pinky. Yeah, I'd like to shave that down a lot. There's one on this one too. The rest of them are okay. And then I need to kind of clean up underneath too. They look kind of gross underneath. I didn't realize, I guess I didn't even think about it, but they're pretty chunky underneath and it led to a lot of filing. So yeah. Anyway, this set comes with these stickers. I believe these are stickers. They might be decals, but I'll try to peel them before I stick them in water. I've learned my lesson. Don't stick your stickers in water. And then they have these. These are, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these. My world has changed. I'm a girl, and I just feel like I instinctively know what to do with these things, these glitters. This is so exciting. It's like a fairy set. These are so cool. These are itsy bitsy tiny iridescent 3D butterflies. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for these. So the idea behind these is you can set them like so on your fingers. Now, I'm kind of a klutz. I'd probably break them off kind of easily, but you know, I ordered some glue. That's coming. So we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I can wear these after all, depending on how well I can adhere them, or maybe just do them on my less dominant hand. And then these, I kind of have some glitter already. This looks like it's little itty bitty tiny butterflies. Iridescent blue butterflies. I see a lot of purples and pinks in there too. I already have some butterflies. I don't know if they're exactly the same, but it'll be cute when it's time to put chunky glitters, you know, and mix and match and so forth. So this is going to be so fun. All right. Last but not least, put this. Okay, dual forms. Now, Makartt, I think, might have a little bit better dual forms than the ones that I ordered before from La Fuena. Anyway, these look very similar to me, but this is what the dual forms look like in this kit, in this particular kit. So they're numbered. They're numbered? Question mark. Yes, this is a 1. I can just barely see through here. So anyway, we can try dual forms again. I think that's a little big. It has 12 sizes here, and I can certainly try dual forms again, but I don't know if I need to go this long for the design well, maybe the design I want to do, I kind of have a fantasy design in mind. We'll see. I have I have so many different ideas. I can't wait to get started, but I have to wait for that e-file to get here. So that's important. That's going to be the most important thing, really. But these are the colors it came with. I'm so excited about these. I think that the green, well, I'm excited about all of these colors, but you know, I'm a sucker for pink and green and purple and green. I like that. And then who doesn't need more base coat and top coat, right? That's just, if you do nails, that's just constantly a need. And then this, and then this. I got the double-headed pen, and then I got this. So, plus the dual forms. So, all of this together in the set was about, I want to look this up so that I make sure that I'm right. I don't want to make you think you're getting something that you don't end up with paying more. But the total price that I paid for this, I kind of waited and found it on sale a little bit. This was a little over $30 and shipping was free. So about $31.64 is what I paid total. So yeah, I think that that was a pretty good haul for all of this stuff. This is enough stuff to do several manicures. So, and this is my first really good pen. I'm so excited to use it. And also, I ordered this in the meantime. This is to help with alcohol or slip solution or monomer when I'm doing my designs. I'm very excited about this. So, yeah, once I get that e-file, the e-file I bought only goes up to 20,000 RPM because I don't want to hurt myself. I know I'm kind of a klutz. I'm not the most graceful person, I know. So I just think that it would be best if I just start with something that's essentially the most harmless possible. But it comes with 3 different bits. One of them to clean off the cuticle area, another one to help shave this down, and then another one to help shape everything. So, and then I still plan on hopefully mostly using hand files, things that I can just do by hand. And then I have my trusty dust collector over here to kind of suck everything up as I shave off my nails. So, yeah. Hey, I just discovered that this is, let me see if I'm, okay. Some of my nails have been popping off. Not that I've been trying to get them to pop off, because some of them are still on pretty good. I don't know if you can see this lifting here. So, I have a dropper from an old cuticle oil, and I'm just kind of taking that and dripping it underneath the nail and just letting it soak like that, because this one kind of hurts a little. I don't want it to get damaged. And I'm trying not to pry it, but just to kind of check on the progress to lift and see if it's giving, if it's got any more give. This one too, this one wants to come off. And I'm doing the same thing, if you can see that. Right down in there, and letting it just kind of eat away at that adhesive. There we go. There. So that I can kind of save these nails. They're kind of special to me because they're the first ones I ever did. So these are still on pretty tight though. And these 3 would be good to save. These I don't mind if they kind of come apart a little. But I'd like to save these 3 still if I can. Anyway, what I'm using for this is just good old-fashioned Q-Tex nail polish remover. And so I'll just keep doing that. Maybe, you know, my e-file won't be here for another day or 2. So, most likely 2 days. So I'll just keep doing this occasionally, but I don't want to get it wet or anything like that. I might end up soaking this off because this one's a little painful. So, but the rest just popped right off and there was no pain at all. And then I can just keep this set as a reminder. So, kind of fun. So anyways, that's what I've got going on. I'm still planning the next set that I'll do. And I'll probably try to do that on camera and see if we can have fun with it. I don't really know what I'm doing, but it might be fun. So, all right, that's all I have for you today, but thanks for watching, and as always, be kind to yourself and others. Bye!